Hello dear students, in our last week videos we have discussed about the chapter 2 Olympic Value Education. Olympic Value Education. So today we are going to revise whatever we have studied in our previous videos. So first of all, we have discussed about the ancient Olympic Games, when it was started and when it was, how the games were played in ancient time and how it was stopped. So it was started in 776 BC in Athens, okay, a city of Greece, where they play this sport after every 4 years in the honor of their god Zeus. Okay, so few trophies were there. Trophies means as nowadays we have medals and trophies, not like earlier days it was not there, but the heroes or the champions of the sport were awarded with the olive crowns and their names was written, engraved on stones, engraved, and there are many games which were played as Daedalus, Dioecious, chariot races and equestrian pentathlon. It was the combination of running and other contact games and other things. Okay, and then there was a closing ceremony in which awards were given. It was suddenly stopped by the Roman Emperor Theodosius in 394 AD, and after the games were stopped, the modern Olympic Games, when the era came, by the effort of Baron Pierre de Coubertin, who is also known as the father of the modern Olympic Games. So it restarted after almost 1500 years. Okay, in the year 1896 at Athens, because the game was originated from this place and it was decided to restart from the same place. So that is why from the Athens it was restarted. So many things, new things were started in the modern Olympic Games. As first one was played in 1896, Athens, in the city of Greece. Only 13 countries participated in that, and total 9 number of activities were there. Okay, it was only for men, not for women. Women started taking part in the Olympics in Paris Olympic 1900. So women participation was started from the second Olympic itself. Okay. Now, last Olympic was played in the Rio de Janeiro in 2016. It is in Brazil, and number of participant countries are 206 now, and there are 28 activities which were entertained in the whole Olympic Games. So this is the change from the beginning till now, and this year it was supposed to be in the Tokyo, but because of the pandemic COVID-19 it was cancelled, and let's see, we are waiting for the announcement for this Olympic again, where it should be conducted, will be done soon. Okay. Then afterwards we have discussed about the Paralympics. Paralympics, games are played with the Olympic Games, and this is for those who are differently abled, which is not like us, but those are differently able. They are not having the hearing capacity, or they are having any limbs, they don't have any limbs, like that. Those who are differently able, they are playing in the Paralympics. There are different activities in which they participate, and the activities are made so that they easily participate in them. Okay. Then a Special Olympic was started for the same type of people. Those are intellectually disabled. They are participating in the Special Olympics. Then we have discussed about the Olympic motto, Olympic torch, Olympic oath, and other things we have discussed. We discussed about the WADA, World Anti-Doping Agency, who have checked the athlete performance and their regular checkups. They are conducting these type of things, so that there should be equal participation for everyone. There should not be any discrimination because of those are taking drugs, they have on advantage side. So for everyone there should be equal participation, and for that sake they are not allowed to take prohibited substances, and that is checked by the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA. Then Olympic ideals and values we have discussed. We discussed the role of International Olympic Committee and Indian Olympic Association. So these all things we have discussed in our previous videos. Hope that you have understood everything, and try to write the question answer whatever is given, and complete your copies, everything, and your practicals also I have given, so that also you are supposed to complete. First practical was given as label diagram of 400 meter track. Label diagram of 400 meter track, along with the other activities which you can play in the field simultaneously. So these all things you have to write in a practical file. So complete it and keep your copies ready. Thank you.